it's Brooke with WTI.
If you're looking to get outdoors and enjoy some of your favorite places while camping, you gotta check out this Rapid Shelter 6-person tent. This tent is stunning. I love how it's great for many seasons. I love that it's water resistant. The multicolor of the blue variation is very beautiful. It comes with everything that I need. And you can assemble it with or without the rainfly and enjoy that beautiful skylight on a great day. It's so easy to assemble. It only took me 15 minutes and I did it by myself. The pegs were easy to use and everything latches onto the corners really nicely. It was also so easy to disassemble. You can click the bars on the four corners and fold it into itself, and it was so easy to do. I love that it all fits nicely into this bag. There's even an outside zipper that you can close up and make the bag tighter. It also has this ability to allow you to put your charger inside your tent and have things zipped and secured. This rainfly is very generous in size and it clips onto the four corners as well and can be tightened so that the wind doesn't blow it and make noise. It also has a way to attach it open so that you can enjoy full ventilation with the rainfly, or you can zipper it down in the back. In the front by the door, it has this hood that protrudes so that water doesn't drip on your front door. It does such a great job of repelling water, and I love the details of this. On the inside, there are 4 windows. They have screens on them, and they can be opened up for ventilation as well. It has 5 pockets, and it also has a loft shelf where you can put things and store things up above. If you remove that screen from above, you can hang a lantern or a light. This definitely fits 6 people comfortably and has been the best addition to our camping routine.
But that's just my point of view.